How to add and create a story on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add and create a story on Snapchat easily. So all what you have to do is easy, just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner, click on your avatar like this, and it will take you to this page on your profile. Now go down and you will find add to my story option. Click on it and add. For example, I'm gonna take a photo quickly. Now click OK, and now I just added a story, as you can see, very easily. And after you finish, click send right here, and you can send it to people or to your story, as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.